Hello, this is Landon Hibbert. Welcome back to the third Crazy Bus 3000. If you watch my videos, I have 3 Crazy Bus 3000 channels. They're all almost identical except with different videos. Anyway, so you can't see me right now because I'm in the middle of darkness. I was just coming downstairs. We've got the Bachmann Big Haulers. I can see me. Train set. It is the North Star Express. Oh shoot, what did I get now? Not answering it. It's in the basement. So, sorry. Alright, so here it is. The big type, except, we got it from a garage sale, and, for $25. But, I understand why it's for $25. If you have the North Star Express, it's supposed to come with a Santa figure, a 6 cross bucks, a DVD, and instructions. It did not have any of those. But we managed to turn it into what I wanted. Anyway, so I have some smoke fluid up on top of the heater. I don't know why I put it there, but I just did. So we're going to tip it down, and I've never used this locomotive yet. I got the smoke fluid up there because I just bought some. So I'm like, I'm going to use this, and it's going to be great. So we're going to lower it down. I can't hold my tablet while we're doing that. I'm going to stand on the leg of this chair. Alright, now down it goes. And then we're going to open it up. This is so exciting. Okay, so it says, there's the locomotive, nice detail, and it says lift flap to see additional cars and steel alloy track. Okay. Whoa. So I know a lot about this train, cause I know that the cars light up and things like that. So we're gonna see those features. So let's open it up. So here's the controller, the power pack, and a little connection to the tracks. Speaking of that, it didn't come with that either. I have one of those. I don't know where it is, so we're gonna have to find it. Alright, let's just do the locomotive features. So I'm gonna put you right here. So we're gonna start with the locomotive. So the locomotive, just the locomotive. Okay. Big heavy thing. I'll get the rest of the funnel. So this is the locomotive. It got lots of detail on it. You can see all of its details, all the pipes, like all the hand railings and a light. And you can see the back has an open firebox and stuff. So that's the locomotive. And we've got the tender. Very important. The tender's a very important thing. Let's see if it has no, it doesn't. Let's see if it has a battery in it yet. And look at that. Look what it's got in it. Rayovac 9-volt battery. Exactly what I wanted. Alright, so that's going to be good. Okay, so this one just powers the sound, the steam sound, so yeah. So, that's the coal tender. I'm going to do the combine car. The combine car and the other car, like I said, they light up, but the combine car doesn't, because I opened it up and tried everything out to make sure some things work, but I didn't actually run the train yet, so I want to see how that works. Oh, look at that, it's got features a ringing bell. The locomotive. Cool. Alright, so this one doesn't light up, but the other one does. I know that for a fact. because the whole top comes off of this one. But it does have the feature of sliding doors. They open and close. And, you know, features. So this one lights up. So this is what it looks like when it's not lit up. And you can see it has those lights in it. That's really all this guy has. And the caboose, that's one feature I know because I tried this once just to see if I could do this. A digital camera can fit inside if you take the top off. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so let's read farther in. So let's see. Shoot, it didn't come with any track. Oh wait, what's this? I'm going to read this. It says the freight car wheels and axles are adjusted for maximum free rolling. Occasionally rough handling and shipping. Yeah, I don't think that's not what. Oh, this thing! You will find track sections on the other side of this foam tray. Okay, let's just take the steel alloy track out. This is what they look like. And this is the power supply. Little thingy. And last but not least, whoops, the this thingy, whatever. So let's just flip this over. And look at that. That's a lot of track. Okay, so sorry, that's pretty nifty. All that track. I can tell. This is going to be a pretty big train. Okay, let's get going. Okay, now I did not do the time lapse to set up the locomotives because I wanted to do that on purpose. You're going to get a fine view of us setting up the locomotive.
Yeah, you be like that.
Oh, that's my sister. Lily, say hi to the camera.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, Lily, get out of the camera's way now.
See you. See you, Landon.
I don't know when the last time this thing's ever been used.
I don't know.
By anybody. By the people who we got it from at the garage sale during summer. I don't know when the last time they used it, but they were kind of foolish because then we tried running it on the deck that one nice summer day.
Yeah,
It
and
was just unbelievably working. It was working great.
yep, I see my brother. Yep, he was doing that last day. He was just doing it last day. Last day, yeah. But never day there was anyone who went to New York, but nobody did do it. But they can't do it anymore. But I can do my hair because I have a brush.
William, stop. Sorry, she's a baby that can't control herself.
Mama, not me. I'm not baby. I'm 3 years old.
Yeah, she is 3 years old.
That means I'm a
Not
baby.
very many true things.
Whoa, chill. No. Don't crash. Why? Because you're too big for that train to block. But you're horrible at seeing somebody, but I'm not horrible. Have to get onto that. Oh, doggy! Pet shops! Pet shops! Pet shops!
Okay, that's it. Okay, so it looks like the train is ready. So, there's still a few things you have to do. I changed the power pack because I could not find that thingy for it because I knew it just went randomly placed. I have a nice thing that's able to run the locomotive as fast as the other one, so we're good. Okay?
No, we're not.
We're gonna, oh yeah, my sister's right. We gotta get the smoke fluid out. You gotta put some drops in there. Let me make sure it's on. Let me make sure the smoke, let's see, smoke on. Okay. Anything in there?
Milk is
Nope.
on. Oh, good.
So just wait a second. You can stare at the ceiling. I'm just gonna put some smoke in there. It's supposed to smell like a fireplace, so that's gonna be nice. Kind of like a. Okay. So here is the running. Okay? Ready? Set. We're gonna go. That sounds pretty nice. Ready?
Go. Faster. Where's the fuel? The fuel's not in it.
Just wait. It'll start showing up. I see it, Lily. It's showing up. Whoops. What? How'd it get low that fast? Are you kidding me? Holy crap. My battery's at 733%. It's recording for not such a long time. Well, there you go. You got an idea of what it is. Well, bye.